In this video, we will be demonstrating how to refinish a laminate Formica countertop using the Shurbond Ultra Spatter finish. The process can also be applied to ceramic floor tile, wall tile, and other solid surface materials that need texture finishes. There is no overcoat needed with this system, which is a huge advantage over any other water-based multi-spec coating. Begin by cleaning the countertop with a scrubbing pad and an Ajax-type cleaning agent. You can use reducer solvent M17000 to cut through and help clean off oils and dirt if needed. If necessary, wet sand the counter surface using 220 grit wet sandpaper. Thoroughly rinse away all cleaner. T.S.P is also a great grease cutting cleaner, available at any local hardware store. Using 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch masking tape, simply tape off the perimeter around the sink and fixtures where they meet the counter. Using a portable masking machine, place paper around the sink, walls, and fixtures. Using clean tack cloth, perform a final cleaning of the surfaces to remove any foreign materials. The counter surface should now be clean, smooth, and ready for spraying. Prep the surface for spraying by wiping on Seal-Lock 2000 clear primer with painter's cheesecloth or soft paper towel. Only a light clear finish is necessary. Allow 5 minutes for Seal-Lock 2000 to dry. Next, spray on a light coating of primer base M16000 mixed with primer hardener M16001 at a 4:1 ratio. Using your compressor's air hose, spray the surface with air to speed up the drying process if needed. Drying time should be about 5 minutes. While waiting for the primer to dry, you can mix 5 parts Shurbond Ultra Glass 2000 base coat with 2 parts M15000 Ultra Glass 2000 hardener. This is the same base product used for both bathtub and tile applications. It will be used over the primer to act as your base color before spraying on the Ultra Spatter finishes. Mix up 4 ounces of Ultra Glass 2000 top coat spatter base with 2 ounces of the special Ultra Spatter thick hardener. The special Ultra Spatter hardener has the spatter texture already in the mixture. Next, begin spraying on your base coat. Here we are applying Ultra Glass 2000 black for the background base finish. Let this dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, spray on your spatter finish. Here we are using a white speckled finish coat. Adjusting your spray gun airflow and the amount of fluid top coat solvent M17000 will help determine the desired texture. Adding more solvent and increasing the airflow on the spray gun will result in larger texture particles and a smoother finish. Closing down the airflow and using less solvent will create smaller texture particles and give you a more pronounced, rougher finish. In the event you spray on too much white, you can simply spray more black over the top until the desired color is achieved. The countertop should be allowed to dry for 24 hours prior to pulling off any tape or paper. Here we see a side-by-side comparison of before and after the application of the Shurbond refinishing system.